Hello everyone. Today I'll discuss about a serious issue of skilled migrants who are in the UK. What would happen as white paper published, and the white paper said that settlement would be after 10 years, not 5 years as a skilled migrant. And all of the existing skilled migrants are worried about it. But I'll tell you from my experience that whatever the rule was when you came into the UK, this is called legitimate expectation. So you know that you will get settled after 5 years, and that's the law, and that's the legacy. And from my experience and from previous even experience, you can search, and today I'll even pin in the blog or in the YouTube. You can see there is a thing called highly skilled migrant program. It was running since 2002 to 2006. And then government similarly, they have changed their goalpost, and they said people will get indefinite leave to remain. That time the rule was after 4 years you'll get indefinite leave to remain in the UK. And what the government did, government said no, after 5 years you'll get indefinite leave. Then all the highly skilled migrant people, they went to High Court and they owned the case against the government. And the High Court said a public authority should not make a law. What they said earlier, they shouldn't change the goalpost. And that's what happened. So that's what I said. Don't be confused, don't be scared. So if you are an existing skilled worker in the UK right now, you'll be highly likely you'll get indefinite leave to remain after completing your 5 years. This is from my experience. I heard that BBC News said that Home Secretary said she's thinking about to extend 10 years even for existing skilled migrant, or Guardian said so, or even in her own statement to Nick Ferrari, she replied, she said it will be consulted in the end of this year. In the Parliament, she said it will be consulted in the end of it. So consultation will take place. It's not been law yet, and in the consultation there will be lawyer involved who will draft the law. So at that time they will realize that by changing this one would be huge impact to the whole country and huge impact to the migrant who are already in the UK. So I believe it wouldn't be in 10 years. Even if it goes to 10 years, it will be challenged in the High Court, Supreme Court, and I'm sure the skilled migrant who are in the UK, they will win in this case. And that's what I said. Don't worry about this at the moment, because even the Home Secretary said it will be consulted at the end of this year. So consultation means there are lots of things will be discussed at that stage. And from my experience, as I explained about HSMP skill, it would be 5 years, whoever came under the old rule, and it would be like this. And that's my hands said. But even if it goes to, even if it passes in the Parliament, this I said it will be challengeable. So I hope I have clarified the matter. So don't be worried, even because it will be consulted. Again, I said it will be consulted, and even if it's passed law, it will be challengeable. So thank you very much. Don't worry. And the law as current, even white paper didn't say it stopped. White paper didn't say that all the skilled worker will be indefinite leave to remain in the UK after 10 years. It said it will be consulted. So mind it and keep an eye. And if anything change, I'll be come on again and I'll discuss with all of you. Thank you.